This dragon trusted him, and it changed everything. Toothless had every reason to hate humans. They hunted dragons. They chained them. They hurt them. So when Toothless was injured, he expected pain again. But Hiccup didn't raise a weapon. He lowered it. Instead of fear, Hiccup showed care. He fed him. He healed him. He stayed. Slowly, Toothless realized something powerful. This human was different. That's why Toothless didn't fly away. That's why he followed Hiccup. Because dragons don't follow strength. They follow trust. And that trust changed the world. Part 3 tomorrow. Subscribe for more.